Hi, Nancy from So Original without makeup, except I threw on some lipstick at the last minute. Sorry about that. Um, I am, I have a bunch of these beautiful old authentic kimonos. Actually, I'm not sure, they're all old. And I also happen to have a gorgeous embroidered panel, and a lady wanted a kimono and wanted the panel put on it. Okay, so sounds simple enough, but kimonos are fairly odd shaped. So I had to lay this out on a couple of different surfaces to get it nice and smooth. And now I have to put it on a dress form to make sure I'm folding this under, and I'm just gonna do it right along the edge and edge stitch all around to put it down, to sew it down. This is an issue because kimonos do not have shoulder seams. So I'm just going to make one, and it will just look like it's where the natural shoulder seam would be. And then it was also kind of challenging to get the whole image on the front because we didn't want to interfere with this beautiful embroidery on the back. I'm using silk pins. These are awesome pins. And then my only question, I'm kind of feeling like I want to maintain the integrity of this line. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do a stitch in the ditch along here so that it looks like it was actually part of the kimono. So when it's all done, I will post another video. Thanks for watching.